In every heartbeat, wild or human, there is love, loss, and the will to survive. We are not so different. This is the circle of life. Morning, everybody. So it's bright and early this morning. Talking about that Bos Koffie that we were talking about earlier on. We're going to show you how we make it in the mornings. So the kettle's boiled already. There's our milk. Coffee and the sugar is already in there. And that, people, is your bush coffee. It's 5:53. We're number 5 in the queue. Forms are filled in. We're ready to go in through the gate. Let's see what we see. Morning.
How are you?
Thank you. Have an awesome day. Bye.
Bye.
Morning, Kumba. Yeah, I know it's tough in the morning brew.
He feels like me.
It's tough, eh?
So we've just come down to the Hippo Pools, and I say to Justin, we've never really been lucky at the Hippo Pools. Yeah, so he reckons he remembers the day that we followed a whole pride of lions down the road. And I said to him, no, but we never, no, but we did. He remembers it clearly. I said, Jas, that was a YouTube video that we watched. Well, of course he reckons, oh yeah. So if you the guys that made the YouTube video of the lions tracking down the road to the Hippo Pools, it made a massive impact on Justin. H3 right now. We believe there was a lion sighting. We just also had a safari vehicle rush past us, so we know that the lion is still there. So off we go. Okay, what are we seeing? Apparently we're seeing something. Go back a bit. So we are battling to keep up with the safari vehicle.
I feel like I'm on a Formula 1 track. Well, actually a rally cross track right now, because he's got a bucket, I've got a picanter.
What is quite strange, what feels weird, is we're in this tiny little car. It's a dinky toy. And, you know, you drive 30 kilometers an hour and it feels like you're on a racetrack.
There we go, 4x4.
Let's just get through here.
Okay, we're back.
Yeah, Schumacher, here we come. But we're chasing a lion right now, so I think we're doing about 32 kilometers an hour. We both do need the toilet, so
Yeah, these
that's
bumps
rough.
are not helping.
That's rough. So it seems like we've missed the lions, but it's okay. We know that they're here somewhere. We found a whole lot of zebra and impala. I can only imagine that they would stick around
Yeah,
here.
they must be somewhere in the bush. Yeah.
So we're just going to drive up and down a little bit and see if we can maybe see them. Telltale, find safari vehicles or a backup of cars.
Yeah. So we stopped at Afsal. We're having a must-have, which is a Rooster Koek. You get different types. We've just gone today with the cheese and jam.
When you come to the Kruger, you have to have this. Everyone does. It's a Kruger thing.
Hey, buddy.
That's Justin fixing it. We're just tightening the stuffies on the chairs. And look who's peeping at us. I'm still busy oiling the table and Justin is still busy with the chairs. So we've had little Piccaninny up there, and I went and showed you the zebras and the kudu. But just have a look from up here how awesome this is. this is our pool area. Got some sun lounges there, fire pit. Over there's our braai. And back there, we have a water hole for the animals. We have a seating area here. There's
Our baby.
the little bushbuck. She lives here. Right. So when we go that way, this is our garage that you're looking at.
Okay, so follow us.
We're gonna do a quick tour. We're not gonna do a long tour. Right, that over there, this is our garage. This is my storeroom, and we have another storeroom in there. So guests do not get to use that.
And up we go. First level. Just gonna close
This is, yeah.
because otherwise the warthogs walk in.
This is where my guests will enjoy their time. Our kitchen. Can you just open that door so we can show them? So this is our kitchen. Bit of leaves there. We had a little wind.
Little, just blew once.
Oh, so little deck there. This is our kitchen. We're just gonna do a quick tour for you guys. I'm gonna go back there. This is our lounge area. Those are our lights. These are stairs. We will take you up the stairs just now. We have a TV with
Netflix and open view. I don't think we'll be having open view anymore, sorry. Because the baboons have destroyed our
we will
satellite
show
dish.
you that. So if you come through here, we have our third bedroom. Oh, excuse me. All right, this is our giraffe room. It goes through here. Just have a bathroom with a shower, toilet, and basin. This is our lion room. A leopard up there. We're keeping the doors closed because when we're not around, monkeys might come in. We're first going to do the inside of the house. Okay. And then if we go up the stairs, this is now from your lounge area. We go up the stairs.
For those who want to come and work while they're on holiday, there is an office area with Wi-Fi, so you can easily work from here.
If you love reading, we have an awesome library with more books coming soon. And this is the main bedroom.
So if you look out the sliding door, Sonique will probably can over there.
You can open for us. And this is our bathroom. And if you go out here, that is the Kruger over there. Nope, over there. That's all Kruger. So, although we can see the Kruger, can't really see animal life. So,
We did hear them last night. The lions were roaring. The
Hippos were grunting.
This morning I heard the hyenas calling. So yeah, we hear all the sounds from here.
all right. So this is the main bedroom. Let's take you back down the stairs. This here is our deck. This is basically where we live. We never sit in the lounge, never, ever, ever. So over there,
Bush babies above us.
this deck here is just a sunset deck. So we've got two little chairs that go out there. And you can just sit there and relax. We didn't put them out, sorry guys. Right, and then back up there is our bush baby house. Right.
Last but not least.
This is a lovely area. We sit out here all the time. As you can see, there's animals. Last but not least, our lover's nest. So you can sleep out here. You really don't need to be brave. There's nothing that can do any harm. And then we have the pond, the animals. Lovely view.
Absolutely awesome. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this adventure, please like, subscribe and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you.